Hello everybody, today guys, I'm drawing izuku midoriya from My Hero Academy. Let's start it. So first of all guys, I'm drawing the rough sketch. And the izuku midoriya is a very huge popular fan of anime character. And I also love this character so much. Then I'm drawing the hair. Then I'm drawing the eyes. And next shot, what I draw next, you guys see in comments. Then I'm drawing the clothes. Then I'm drawing the hands of izuku midoriya. Who are staying in this video in there, like and subscribe. Then I'm drawing his another hand. And also I like his costume. Let's move on leg. Let's draw it. Let's move on another leg. My drawing is finished. Let's see the result. Yeah, done. Let's move on inking. First of all, his face. After long see, my inking is finished. Let's see the outline. Nice, let's move on coloring. I'm using the watercolor. Done. Let's move on leg. Then I'm using the black shade. After, I'm drawing the belt. My belt color is finished. Let's say the final. Like and subscribe guys, bye.